Hi, today is 24th. I just finished some trades with the Nasdaq, with the US stock market. As you can see, 24th is the date here. And these are one, two, three, four, five stocks bought. Netflix was all puts except one call. This call is VIX, which is the volatility index. So because the market was expected to fall, and when it falls, the index goes up. So I took a call at 40 value. Rest are all puts: Netflix, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook. This is from 24th onwards. And the quantities were 1, 4, 6, 3, and 1. Now, again, it was a learning experience. I bought at much below the market rate, 245, 245, 123, and 275. Now, initially, the market fell, as you can see, drastically from here right up till here, at which point I sold most of my stocks. And then I purchased a Facebook call somewhere here, and I sold it also immediately. So there was not much of gain, but my maximum gain was in this puts, which I bought in the morning and sold it at this place. So this is Microsoft, Apple, pretty much same territory. Like I sold it here. Facebook again sold here, bought somewhere something again in this area. This is the Nasdaq, which basically gives an idea of the stock market because this curve is the same as all other shares. And Netflix also bought it and then didn't make much in Netflix. So just let me show you the sale price. Now, Facebook was bought at 310 and was sold at 365. The call was sold at 345. 345 sold the put. The call I bought at 365 and sold at 345. So there was like a $20 loss. But the major gains were in the software. Now 345 into 4. Because of this, my profits multiplied 4 times and Apple 6 times. So let's see Microsoft sale. This is purchase. Sale of Microsoft was at 485 at around 7:46 p.m., which is 11:46. So if you go to the chart and you see 11:46 is somewhere here, I sold it somewhere here, and then it went a little bit down. So this why I could not sort of capitalize. If I'd sold it here, I could have got another $100 or so. So Microsoft was 485, purchase price was 345. So almost like more than 140 into 4. Apple I sold at 109 into 6 and purchase price was 70 dollars. So from $70 it went to $109 and that multiplied by 6. So this is why today's profits were higher. Otherwise, the market has fluctuated, as you can see. Now, due to shortage of funds, I couldn't execute any more trades because of the US restriction. You cannot sell and again use the funds. Otherwise, if there are enough funds, the best thing is buy call here, and the call would have gone up almost, the way the puts went up. So that's a lesson learned. Now VIX is a interesting, VIX is something of an index for volatility. It's not a stock or So it is now, if you see the index, chart will come now. In the morning, when the market was dropping, the index went up. Then when it came down, again went up, again came down. So I had bought VIX, 3 of them at 330. But instead of waiting for some time, I sold it at 290. So from 330 to 290, that was a loss. And then Netflix also I sold early. 193 was the selling price, and purchase price was 24. 350. So this was a bit of a error on my. If I had waited, I could have. It went almost more than 350. Anyway, it was a good learning today, and hope it helps. Thanks a lot. Take care.